Today we're diving deep into the world of stacks. This isn't just any layer 2 solution, it's an evolution in the blockchain space that has a rich history behind it. It's a tool designed to improve how Bitcoin basically works. Everyone knows Bitcoin to be the first and biggest crypto by market cap, but there are some small issues with Bitcoin. As more people use it, it becomes slower, unable to handle a large amount of transactions at a go. This is where layer 2 solutions like Stack come into play. They help Bitcoin work faster and more efficiently. Now, what's special about Stacks and what features is it adding to the Bitcoin blockchain for better scaling? All these we will discuss in this video, so sit back, relax and follow me through. So first, a brief history on Stacks. Stacks, originally named Blockstack, started as an idea for a different kind of internet, one where users had more control. Instead of big companies having all the power, Stacks wanted to give it back to regular people. During the bull run, Bitcoin grew and also did Stacks. So they thought, why not use Bitcoin's strong security and add more features like smart contracts? The Stacks team did a lot of research. A year later, in 2019, they raised money through an ICO and they managed to get over $75 million. Thanks to big supporters like Union Square Ventures and Winklevoss Capital. Fast forward to 2020, they updated our system and called it Stacks 2.0. This new version connected even more closer to Bitcoin. Moving forward, who are the founders of Stacks? Meet Munib Ali and Ryan Shea. They both dreamed of changing how the internet works to benefit users. Munib Ali is a smart guy with a degree in distributed systems from Princeton University. He always wanted to make the internet safer. His research at Princeton was focused on building a more secure internet, which naturally paved the way for the conception of Stacks. Ryan Shea is a computer genius with big ideas. Together, Munib and Ryan imagined an internet that is completely decentralized. So how does Stack actually work? As we already know, Stacks is connected to Bitcoin and it improves Bitcoin's functionality without changing its core protocol. But instead of sticking with Bitcoin's proof of work consensus mechanism, Stacks uses what we call proof of transfer, otherwise known as POX. It's like a better version of the proof of burn system, and it works hand in hand with Bitcoin's proof of work system. Think of it this way. Miners in the Stacks system are very important to the project structure. For their hard work, they earn Bitcoin, so if you save up STX Stacks token, you can also earn Bitcoin as a reward. This way, the setup ensures that Stacks and Bitcoin stay close, making sure they look out for each other's security. Plus, there's this feature in POX called stacking. Miners don't just burn the Bitcoin, instead, miners send it to people known as stackers. These stackers have stacked up their STX coins and get Bitcoin as a thank you gift. So if you buy and save STX, you can get Bitcoin in return. All this makes Stacks awesome. It uses Bitcoin's trust and fame with its security and adds the ability to make smart contracts. Plus, since it's connected to Bitcoin, mining on Stacks happens at the same speed as Bitcoin. Now, here's some terminology you might not be aware of. Microblocks. While Stacks and Bitcoin make new blocks at the same rate, microblocks act as these little messengers that passes updates between the main blocks. And in Stacks, there are these folks called block leaders. What they do is pick out transactions, put them in these microblocks and basically make everything work faster. Miners prefer working with these microblocks because they're like shortcuts to keep the Stack system in top shape. And we also got Clarity, Stack's own programming language. Every blockchain has its own rulebook. We call them smart contracts and their language. These rules are the key for decentralized apps and all the things the blockchain do. Clarity is the name of Stack's own rule writing language. Some languages, like Solidity, can be a bit tricky because they might change and cause mistakes. But Clarity, it's straightforward. With Clarity, what you write down is exactly how it works. No surprises, no tricks, no hidden pitfalls, and it has a cherry on top. It's very easy to read. So when normal folks look at the rules, they know exactly what's happening. Not only developers can understand it, in Clarity, there's no guesswork. Now, Stacks isn't just a store for crypto, it's also a place for smart contracts. And, of course, decentralized apps. Stacks lets Bitcoin do new, exciting things, but still keeps everything safe and decentralized. Now let's talk about the STX tokenomics. STX is the native token on Stacks. Just like other digital coins, you can use STX to pay for things on the network. Plus, if you save up your stacks, or well, stack your stacks or STX coins, you can get Bitcoin rewards. Just like BTC, there's also a limited amount of available coins. There will only ever be 1.82 billion STX coins, kind of like how there's a limit to the amount of Bitcoin. So what are the projects built on Stacks? First, we have StackSwap. This is like Stacks' version of Uniswap. It is used for exchanging several currencies. Second, we have Gamma for fans of digital collectibles called NFTs. This is a marketplace for them powered by Bitcoin. It also helps creators get started. Third, we have Liquidum. This is another spot for NFTs, but it is used mainly for lending. Fourth, we have Alex Lab. This is the do-it-all platform. It's similar to Camelot on Arbitrum or PancakeSwap on BNB Chain. It is used to trade, grow your assets, and launch new ideas all in one space. Fifth, we have something different, Arcadio. This project, it allows you to borrow money, and the loan can essentially pay itself back with the Bitcoin rewards that you earn. In conclusion, Stacks isn't just another tool for the blockchain world. It's a game changer. It's all about making Bitcoin and similar technologies even better. So if you're interested in tech, investments, or just like to know what's new, keep an eye on Stacks. It's paving the way for a whole new approach to the blockchain tech. Thank you all for watching as always. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.